Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to open the menu, press and hold the up button. Press and hold it and wait until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select the settings option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. And here, scroll down, select the watch face and press the start button to enter. And as you can see, we have type, select it and press start button, and we can change between digital, analog and Connect IQ. So basically, if you have the Connect IQ store application, you can change the watch face from there. So I'm gonna select the digital, press the start button. Then we can scroll down, select the background color. You can do it by using the up and down buttons. Next we have the accent color. We can change it by pressing up and down buttons. Then we have the layout. And then we have the seconds style. And additional data. So basically widgets. And you can also enable and disable the status icons. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face and see the changes applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.